Tell me what you're drawing. Just nakarum.
Rainbow and a lake.
Oh. What's inside a lake?
Crocodiles.
Oh. Are you scared of crocodiles?
No.
You're not?
No.
Why not?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah. Crocodiles don't scare me. Crocodiles don't scare me.
They don't?
No.
What are you...
No.
What are you scared of?
No, I'm not scared of. I'm scared of the bear. The bear.
You're scared of the bear?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I have to run.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
And
Bear?
And I say, shh, shh. And the bears come.
Oh.
And we say faster, faster. And the bear comes and eats us.
Really? They
Yeah.
eat humans?
Yeah.
Oh no. Are you gonna save mommy?